What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over baby Dogecoin today because we just now had big stuff that just now happened, such as our burn and our Tesla giveaway. So we're going to be going over that today, and also why we necessarily didn't break out after all that stuff. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. So now let's go straight over what happened here inside Baby Dogecoin. So first thing I want to say, we were inside of a consolidation here yesterday, but we ended up breaking down inside of a negative trend line after that pretty much. So now it shows that we're going in a downtrend, and that over here, the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 60%. So even though we had all this good stuff to happen, people still didn't hold with diamond hands. That is literally the only reason why we went down. As you can see here on the bottom of the oscillator, you can see negative trading volume. This is pretty much showing that there's a lot of selling going on in Baby Dogecoin. There was actually more buying leading up to the burn, leading up to the Tesla giveaway, leading up to the new listing on the exchange. There is a lot of buying. And you know that rumor, buy the rumor, sell the news. The second the news comes out, then boom, it just goes down. But when it's a rumor, when it's not 100% like done yet, it's always going to pump up leading up to the actual event. Like think about Doge Day 420. All leading up to the actual event, it was going crazy. The second it hit Doge Day 420, it tanked. Same thing leading up to the Saturday Night Live event. The Saturday Night Live event, it was leading up to it, pumping, pumping, pumping. Everyone knew it was going to be an event, but it was pumping all the way up until the event. And then when the event actually happened, it took a dip because by the rumor, sell the news. And that's pretty much what happens here. And it's the psychology of trading, pretty much. It's the psychology of trading. Like when people see that something big is happening, they pump it up all the way leading up until the actual event. And then when the event comes, they sell because there's nothing else for them to look forward to. But there really is a lot to look forward to here with Baby Dogecoin. I mean, let's just reference this for instance, like our Baby Doge palm map. So we have a lot leading up to more bigger things, but it's just, people buy in for the hype, they sell out for the hype. So that's pretty much the basis of it. And even if you look at our holders in Baby Dogecoin, we didn't go down in holders. We actually went up in holders. But the big holders, the whales, they're the ones who end up selling out and stuff like this. Like me, you, people like us retail trailers, are not trailers, are us retail traders, we don't sell out of stuff like that. We don't just sell out because the news came out. We hold it for the long run. But millionaires, they come in with $1 million. They trade the $1 million. They ended up making, $3 million off of it, and then they end up selling it. Now, if you look over here at the Baby Dogecoin price, this kind of validates what I'm saying. In the last 30 days, we went 483%. That's how much we went up by in the last 30 days. That means any whale who put $1 million in there now has $5.8 million, $5.83 million. So that pretty much shows the significance of this. And when they see a huge increase of money like that, they sell. Like if you could just buy a mansion like that in 30 days, you probably would. But see, we have $100 to $1,000, possibly $5,000 in it. So when we see the little kind of gains that we get, we're like, it's not even worth selling at that point. So you got to think about the psychology of these people who are trading. But anyways, let's go over the actual stuff that's happened in Baby Dogecoin. I just kind of wanted to let you all know pretty much why we didn't take off, or why it didn't just skyrocket after our big news that we had. So over here, you can see the 3 quadrillion was just now burned here in Baby Dogecoin. Pretty good stuff. This person right here said not even a 1% increase. But crypto is all about patience. Shout out to the SM person here. But yeah, crypto is all about patience. It's not supposed to be instant gains, But anyways, 3 quadrillion is just now burned. You can actually confirm that for yourself. Here's the actual block confirmation. So you can definitely check the hash out here. You can check everything that just now happened here. And a lot of money just now went to this burn wallet. Only a $1.02 transaction fee from Binance. That's why I like BNB. I like BEP20 tokens because the fees are so low. Like look at this transaction fee of $102, or not $1.02. I mean, if it was Ethereum, it would have been a huge transaction fee. But yeah, Binance lower transaction fees. So this is pretty good news here. $12 million total. let's go over here and actually look at it through this area. So you can see 3 quadrillion coming out the whole of $12 million. In the future, that $12 million is going to be worth way more. The 3 quadrillion is going to be worth way more. So yeah, 3 quadrillion is now burned. Big stuff right there. Shout out to Baby Dogecoin. And on top of that, you got to remember the automatic burns that happen every single second. Like this says 000344619. Hit the refresh button. 733929. So you can see that there's always burns happening. So even though these automatic burns are happening, we're also getting the manual burns every single month. So it's like burn on top of burn, which is going to send us all the way to the moon. So the next thing I want to go over here is the Tesla giveaway. So we just now have the winner announced for the Tesla giveaway. After 2 months and 710,000 entries, we finally have a winner of this 2021 Doge, Baby Doge model Tesla. Baby Doge Model 3 Tesla. So pretty big stuff is here. And let's go ahead and look at it. It was someone named Lucas. So shout out to Lucas who just now got it. They had this whole countdown. So yeah, here is the person, and his name is Lucas. So shout out to Lucas at something.com. But yeah, maybe they shouldn't have showed his email, but you can't do anything with an email address. They can't really do anything. But yeah, shout out to him for getting this Tesla. I definitely want to see some good stuff. If you make YouTube videos, Lucas, definitely make some YouTube videos with that Tesla. You're going to get so many different views off of it. If you want to come onto my channel, you can do that as well. But either way, you can build a huge fan base off of this Baby Doge Tesla. So I want to see you become a public figure, Lucas, because this will be really good for you. It'll be really good for the Baby Doge community. It'll just be good for everyone, but especially you, because once you become a content creator, you just get residuals off of you being you. And then now that you have your Baby Doge Tesla, that's another piece of content that you can literally make inside of every single video. So definitely consider making a YouTube channel and all that other good stuff on social media. You can become a huge public figure here. So shout out to Lucas for that. That's actually pretty big. I was hoping I got that Tesla, but you got it. So that's definitely really cool news there. But let's go on to the next thing with Baby Dogecoin. We got the PodMap 2021 coming out. So just like I said, the whales, they'll sell out early, but the true retail traders, we're the ones who pretty much aren't going to sell out just because some little movements did not happen the way we wanted it to happen. So this is the 1M chart, which they call it the 1 minute chart. It's not showing everything in 1 minute, but it's pretty much showing it in smaller intervals. So as you can see here with the vital algo indicators, you can see that we're actually going on a slight little downtrend here. So it is a little bit bearish right now, 60% bearish in the last 24 hours. Means the bears are in control by 60% in the last 24 hours. But I'm going to mention something here. Going back to the 15-minute chart, we're actually just slowly going down here to this support line. So it's not even that bad. I mean, it's a good dip to buy. If you want to buy the dip, definitely go ahead and do that. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But yeah, it definitely looks like we're going to slowly go down to the support line at 350 or 340 actually, 3440. Not 340, but 3440. That's pretty much where we're going to be going down to. So that's pretty much all with the technicals here. As you can see, more candlesticks are forming. But I feel like once we hit the support line, this is going to be something more or less like a bear trap. Is pretty much what a bear trap is like we're going down, but it's like a false downtrend. It's like there's a false downtrend happening, and then the second you hit the support line, we ended up going back on an uptrend there. And it traps the bears because the bears think that it's going to continue to go down. So they start to sell all their Baby Doge or all their shares if it's a stock. Now, the bull trap is if it starts going up, but you think it's about to take off, but really it doesn't take off and it just dips huge. So that would be a bull trap. I definitely believe we're in here a bear trap with this. So that's just my personal opinion. But anyways, the Baby Doge wallet tracker has already came out. And if you don't know what the wallet tracker here it is. And pretty much what the wallet tracker is, it can track anyone's wallet. It'll track your rewards, what you'll be making inside the near future. So it's definitely something pretty good if you want to be a long time holder inside Baby Doge. It's definitely something that'll help you out a lot. And I'll show pretty much how that works. So let's just go over to some random wallet here. Now, this is loading, so we're gonna probably have to wait for that. But actually, let's back out of this and then go to the back button here. and then just reopen it because I think I just now froze there. And then all you got to do, go over to check BSC scan, and then you can go to your wallet if you can type it in, your actual address if you want to do that, or you could just go to some random wallet if you just want to track with random people out there getting inside Baby Doge. I could have went and tracked one of the top wallets, but I'm not going to do that because obviously the top wallets are going to have like the most money inside of it. They're going to get the most transactions. But like I was saying earlier, like this is why Baby Dogecoin is going down, and because people are selling out. Like this person came in 5 days ago, already sold out. I mean, most of these people inside of Baby Dogecoin are selling out of Baby Dogecoin. Like a lot of people come in, they sell out, they just try to make a quick buck, and some people come in only $4. So that's why we have so many different holders. People are like, how do you have so many different holders, but your price is still low? It's because the average holder in Baby Doge has about $3 in it. Like you're seeing this firsthand here. Like every single wallet that we click on here, every single wallet about $3, $4, $5, some $100. This one has $43. They just sold some of their money in Baby Doge, and it's I'm not hating on no one. You have however much as you want, but that's why we have so many different holders. This is why there's so much opportunity here with Baby Doge coins, because most people don't have that much money inside of it. Baby Doge isn't even at $1 billion market cap yet, so there's a lot of opportunity to continue to rise here in Baby Doge. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you some of the rewards. So I'll show you rewards on a smaller perspective, I guess, so you don't have to just look at some millionaire with a bunch of money. Let's just say you have a $200,000 because you saved up through like your your retirement fund or whatever. So you can just go over here to the wallet tracker, copy your address, go over here, and then paste your address. And then boom, you just start tracking it. And then from there, you will have this screen that pops up. It'll load up, and eventually it will load. It usually takes about 5 seconds to 10 seconds. It's usually not that long. It just depends on the speed of the Binance Smart Chain, I guess, or really just the speed of Baby Doge's website. So right now it looks like it's going pretty slow, but it'll probably load up here eventually. Let's actually just try to back out and then get back in and then re-put this in there and retrack it and see what happens there. Because even if it doesn't, I'll just explain it to you here. 5% is redistributed to your wallet, and then the way you check that is through the reward system. You copy or paste your wallet address into the Baby Doge tracker. I think there's actually something going on with the Baby Doge tracker website, so they're probably doing an update to it or something, because it hasn't been working for anything. I've actually tried it for multiple addresses and it has not worked. So yeah, that's pretty much the basis of everything with the wallet tracker though. So that's another good thing we have going on with Baby Doge. And then we have the Ethereum bridge that's coming out, and then we have the NFT collection that's coming out, and then we have the Baby Doge wallet that's coming out, the Baby Doge virtual and physical credit cards, or not credit but debit cards, then the Baby Doge exchange, the Baby Doge arcade. So there's going to be arcade games based around Baby Doge and probably like a play to earn thing. And then the Baby Doge NFT marketplace is going to be coming out as well. So a lot of big stuff is going to be coming up. So there's no reason to just sell out all the way. And like I said, we have a lot of potential here with Baby Dogecoin. And yeah, we have a lot of potential. But remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But anyways, definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you like the video, because I put a lot of work in on these videos. But also, I want to explain something before we actually close out here. So as you can see it going down right now, this is why I said there's a bear trap. It's because look at what happened back here. We already had a bear trap previously. We pumped up huge, and then we dropped down. People thought it was going to go completely bearish, but it didn't. It stopped at the same support that we're about to stop at again here. But this time, we're probably going to end up on an even bigger uptrend. So I just wanted to mention that. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.